The Goa government's Swayambhurna Goa scheme is a flagship program that acts as a driving force behind the state's inclusive development. Under the initiative, state government officials are appointed as Swayambhurna Mitras. They engage directly with communities in designated panchayats or municipalities, coordinating with government departments, facilitating interactions, and ensuring that eligible beneficiaries have access to government schemes and benefits.
स्वयंपूर्ण मित्र के मार्गदर्शन के थ्रू उन्होंने सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट की डिफरेंट स्कीम भी गांव में शुरू किया है। एग्रीकल्चर, हॉर्टिकल्चर, फिशिकल्चर, डेयरी कल्चर और इसी के साथ साथ स्किल और एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन स्वयंपूर्ण के अंतर्गत हुआ है।
Subraj Kanekar, a gazetted state government officer, spends his weekends in Surla village panchayat in North Goa, about 40 kilometers from the capital Panji. As a Swayambhurna Mitra, Kanekar is one of the 286 officers dedicated to the task.
हर एक गवर्नमेंट स्कीम जो रूट लेवल पे नहीं पहुंचते तो वो उस पहुंचाने का काम जिम्मेदारी ये हर एक ऑफिसर को हर एक गांव में दिया है।
Part of Chief Minister's Assembly constituency, the village of about 4,000 faced an uncertain future when iron ore mining, which was the main source of livelihood for the villagers, was banned in 2012. The announcement of the Swayambhurna Goa scheme by their representative, the Chief Minister of the state, brought hope to Surla. Under the scheme, the Swayambhurna Mitra established a handloom centre dedicated to crafting kunbi saris, shawls and other traditional products.
स्वयंपूर्ण गोवा ये अच्छा नारा है और ऐसा ही जब सब लेडीज ही इकट्ठे आते हैं जो अपने पाँव पे खड़े होकर कुछ कमाते हैं।
10 महिलाएं आते हैं और हमको हेल्प भी करते हैं वो सरपंच, हमको स्वयं मित्र। मेरे घर में कोई कमाई वाला भी नहीं आए, एक महीने का पैसा थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलता है ना
तो मदद हो जाती।
The closure of the mining industry had an adverse impact on Surla's agrarian economy too, as the paddy fields filled with silt and water resources dwindled. To address these challenges, the Swayambhurna Mitra held consultations with local farmers and launched an initiative to rejuvenate groundwater. By strategically digging trenches on the hillsides, the water table was activated, benefiting many farmers.
There was a barren hill and water is to flow directly to the field. So what we decided that we'll put some trenches in the field for and just like water harvesting.
स्वयंपूर्ण सर ने हमको बहुत हेल्प किया, ट्रेंच मारने को आइडिया दिया और यहाँ के फार्मर को बहुत फ़ायदा होता है ट्रेंच पे।
Santosh Mollinger, another Surla native, credits Swayambhurna Goa with transforming his life. Santosh, a pearl farmer, says the initiative has empowered him and his business.
मेरे को आइडिया अच्छा लगा, नया है ना, ये हमारे इंडिया ने बनाया तो हमको इंडिया को फायदा है ना।
Spearheaded by dedicated officers, the scheme reaches deep into villages to revitalize livelihoods and help preserve cultural traditions while being a beacon of the state government's commitment to holistic development and the welfare of its people.